Deep beneath the waves, the lost A-26 Invader rests, a haunting ghost of a forgotten war.
Bring her up slowly, watch the tension on that port side line.
Bring her down steady. We're clear on the port side. Easy now, just a few more inches.
Alignment on grid point 4 looks stable.
Copy that. Descent speed holding steady at 0.5 meters per second.
We need to prioritize the structural integrity here before we move anything else.
The corrosion levels on the starboard wing are higher than anticipated.
This red section indicates severe structural fatigue.
And the yellow is the missing component.
Exactly, the rivet count is off here. This red section indicates severe structural fatigue.
And the yellow is the missing component.
Exactly, the rivet count is off here.
We need to isolate the starboard actuator first.
Acknowledged. Running the sequence now.
This section here is definitely a red tag. The corrosion is too deep.
Agreed. We'll need a full replacement panel.
Okay, easy now. Bring her up another 10 feet. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. We have separation at the forward spar. Check laser alignment on the starboard side.
Confirmed. Alignment holding true. Proceeding with slow extraction.
Got the main bolt clear?
Okay, placing the tag now. Watch the housing.
Got the main bolt clear?
Okay, placing the tag now. Watch the housing.
All right, ease now. Keep it steady on your side. Copy that, watching the clearance. Okay, easy now. Bring it out another 2 meters.
Copy that, 2 meters. Watch the port side.
Torque levels confirmed on the mounts.
Diagnostics are showing green across the board. We are ready.
We have ignition. Stable thrust achieved.
Look at the pressure differential. It's perfect. The schematic routes this bundle through the main clamp.
Confirmed. I have the corresponding lead. Let's secure this section before we move to the next one.
Okay, easy now. Just another inch to the right.
Copy that. Coming right in.
And secure. Pressure is stable across the main lines. The die is circulating cleanly. Gauge reading is holding steady at 60 psi.
The atmosphere is a harmonious blend of past and future, providing enhanced situational awareness while respecting the aircraft's rich history.
Keep it steady, watching the clearance on the left. Slowing to a stop now, easy down.
Clear on the starboard side. You are good to connect. Roger that. Engaging clamps.
Torque sequence initiated. 1, 2, 3 clicks.
Confirmed on 3. Moving on.
Pressure holding steady at 50,000.
Agreed. Slight adjustment on valve 3.
Slow down. Now gently to the left.
Roger that.
Fuel line secure. Check the electrical harness on your side.
Harness connected and locked.
Struts locked at full extension. Pressure holding steady.
Data matches. Proceed with retraction.
Pressure holding steady at 5,000 psi.
Noted. No leaks detected on manifold 3.
Command, this is A-26, radio check on frequency 320. Over.
Roger, A-26, loud and clear. Cleared for taxi.
Fire bottle pressure, green arc.
Checked. Safety pins installed and secured.
Bomber 26, hold short at Charlie. We have clearance in 2 minutes. All stations, the aircraft is approaching the active runway. Final checks complete. You are cleared for takeoff sequence.